Prospero has some exciting functionality that uses GPS, which allows you to build into your smart scripts interactive features triggered when smartphones or tablet computers that are connected to the internet move to particular locations. I'll show you how this feature works and how we program it into a smart script. So here we are within our Prospero account, viewed through my smartphone, although this could just as easily be done on a desktop computer. So we'll enter my first smart script, scroll down to the script at the bottom of the screen, click on the edit button, and you can see we have our first scene within this smart script. So if I click on the cog at the top, we have the title, and I now need to upload some background media to this. So I have various options. I'm going to go to from my device. I'm going to take a photo or video. Here we are. And I'm going to use that photo. Prospero now uploads it and embeds it within the scene. I could choose to fill the screen with content if I want to, or provide a background colour. But I'm now just going to click Save. So now we need to add some tasks within our scene to enable the action to be triggered by our GPS location. So we'll click Edit. And you can see here we start, and then I've already pre-programmed in a strike as one particular action. And then you can see it says wait for, and then we have various options. We could either have a click, or we could have our duration, or we could have our geolocation, which is the one we're going to use. So we click Choose Location. Prospero wants to access our location using the GPS functions on my smartphone. But if I was doing this on a desktop, I could just input the GPS locations that I would find through things like Google Maps or Apple Maps. But we're going to use the GPS functions on my phone now as I'm live, standing in this particular location. So I click the button at the top of the screen to locate where I am. And here I am within the campus at the University of Worcester. And as you can see, if I click on this, I can now decide the parameters of the range that I want Prospero to use to trigger the piece of content. As you can see, top right, the location is currently 10 meters wide. But if I click and drag the circle in the center of the screen, I can make that smaller, down to 6 meters, or larger, up to 14 meters. I can also relocate it to different parts of the space by tapping on the screen in those particular locations. I then have to give it a name. Let's call it University. And click Save. And now that action is saved within the smart script. So if we were playing the smart script and somebody was running this smart script on their smartphone or tablet, when they arrived at these particular coordinates, Prospero would know to trigger to move on to the new scene. It's as easy as that.